Tuloy na sa Sawalay Thoughts. Is it really possible to love someone without being with them? So, today's topic is something that has been asked by a colleague from work. So, I got home at around 7 a.m. I cooked breakfast, then naligo ako, then right now we are recording. No, the question was, have you ever loved someone and loved them still without being together? So, labas sa usapan na to yung mga kaibigan natin at yung mga mahal natin sa buhay na pumanaw na. This topic or this episode will revolve entirely on loving someone on a romantic level. So, to cut it short, ako ba, have I ever loved someone kahit hindi naman naging kami? Oo naman. I'm the type of person pa naman who loves unconditionally. It does not matter kung maibalik sa akin yung pagmamahal na binibigay ko. And I have a story to tell. I actually love someone that I have never been in a relationship with. And I also did not plan to love him more than it was supposed to be. Hindi ko siya naging crush sa totoo lang. We are friends, yes. And kahit yung pagiging magkaibigan namin, no one expected that we would be very good friends nitong tao na to. Pero ito na nga, he is a friend and a good one at that. But I never saw myself na magkakagusto at magkakaroon ng pagmamahal sa kanya, which is more than a platonic love. Nangyari na lang. Naramdaman ko na lang. I just found myself light up whenever he's around, and there may be times I find him obnoxious and snobby, but then napapagpasensyahan ko kasi nga kaibigan ko naman talaga siya. But as time goes on, as we bond over all kinds of conversations and topics until we become so comfortable in each other's silence, there was a force between us that felt strange but familiar, at least for me. I looked at him one day and I saw something more than the days before. Parang a switch has been flicked and suddenly, bigla na lang, that man who is never perfect but has been a really, really great friend is suddenly the only person I can imagine myself with. Tapos, naisip ko noon, akala ko, since nagmamahalan kayo or mahal mo naman yung isang tao, you two should be together. You two should build a family or grow old together. But that's not just how love is supposed to look like. Hindi lagi dapat ganun yung outcome. And that man made me question everything I thought I knew about love. I suddenly realized na maybe I am meant to love him even for a short while. And whether or not maging kami, that's out of the question. But I'm sure a part of him will always be in my heart, no matter how far I stay away from him. For me, unconditional love is a love that is selfless. You are not in love or you are not doing things out of love because of what you will get in return. Ano lang, You love the person just because, at hindi mo alam kung bakit mo mahal yung tao na yon. You just love the person just because. And ako sasabihin ko, I love that man just because. And loving someone you can't be with comes with pain and frustrations. Masakit yon, and that's understandable. Kasi there will always be this longing of being with the person you love. And there may be times that the feelings would intensify to the point na baka masaktan mo na yung tao. Kasi nga, pag hindi niya kayang i-reciprocate yung pagmamahal na naibibigay mo sa kanya. And I remember the times na nagmahal ako at natalo sa iba't ibang dahilan. It's a cycle. Nalungkot, umiyak, nagalit, nag-travel. Siyempre, nakapag-chismisan rin. Diba? Part of healing naman or part of moving on naman pag nasasaktan tayo is chismis with friends. So, now, if tatanungin ako ano ginawa ko sa feelings ko, sa totoo lang, dininay ko pa sa sarili ko na mahal ko na yung tao na yun. Pero ako na rin mismo nakapagpatunay sa sarili ko na it's more than platonic love. So ang tanong niyo siguro sa akin ngayon, umamin ba ako? Siyempre, hindi. Wala nga amin sa pamilyang to. But kidding aside, ako kasi I value our friendship more and I think we're better off as friends sa ngayon. Ayoko magsalita ng tapos kasi baka in the future ako yung supalpalin na pagsasalita ko ng tapos. So yun, we're better off as friends. For now. And ngayon, tanggap ko and it's enough na naamin ko na sa sarili ko na mahal ko nga siya. And yes, I always pray for his well-being and for his plans and ambitions to come to fruition. I also pray that when God wills it, He meets someone as equally passionate and faithful as He is, kahit na hindi ako yun. Loving Him does not mean that I should be with Him. I realize I love Him so much that loving Him alone is enough for me. So, baka kayo yung nasasaktan for me. Don't be. But thank you, but don't be. I'm actually okay. I'm doing good. And we're still good friends up until now. Pero, ano yung overall realization ko for today's episode? Well, some people are meant to be in our heart, but not in our life. And that's completely okay. The people you love may not stay with you forever, but the time you spent with them and the lessons you learned from them stay with you and makes you a better person. At lagi po nating tatandaan, you may not find someone better than them, but you will meet someone better for you. Padayon mga langga. Ayan! Salamat sa pakikinig sa episode na to. Follow me on Instagram at Sawalay Thoughts and leave your comments there or sa Q&A portion ng episode na to. You may also follow this podcast to stay updated sa mga latest episodes. Again, ito po ang babaeng madaldal na walang makausap. Daldal again next time dito sa Sawalay Thoughts.